Hello everyone, this is a team DeepGeeks. Our use case is opioid overdose prediction model. So here is our team composed of Hushal, Zenith, Sidra, and Jawad. So we were given a challenge to predict opioid overdose given in a certain given a state, a certain year, and a month to predict the overdose. So let's move to the code part. Our data was from Center of Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. We initially did a pre-processing on that involved two steps. First step, we changed the data from object type to float type using one-hot coding in sklearn library of Python. The second step was normalization, which include the normalization was done because there were some outliers in our data and there was a lot of fluctuation. Then the data was split into 80% and 20%, and 80% was used for the model training and 20% was used for the prediction purposes in a supervised manner. So we applied two models. The first model was multiple linear regression, and we applied this model and come up with a result. The second model that we applied was decision tree model. Again, it was the 80-20 split was used for this model. Once the predictions was done, we connected the data to our web portal for visualization. As you can see, these are some histograms generated by the Python code. And then we also create these visualization to present some number of opioid overdoses, for example, heroin, methadone, natural and semi-synthetic opioids, and number of deaths. As you can see, it's a dynamic visualization. When you move your cursor to a certain state, it tells you the number of opioid overdoses in that case. You can also play it from here and it can take a certain year. Then we also collected some tweets from our from the Twitter to see where in which states the opioid overdose is trending the most, and we have after tweet collection we have filtered our data to select the top 5 states where the opioid overdose has fluctuated the most, and we have shown these results on the data here. So let me go a little above. As you can see, initially there were a total of 400 tweets that were collected, and after cleaning we were left with only 280 tweets. These tweets were filtered on the basis of keywords such as opioid misuse and opioid overdose, opioid epidemic, heroin overdose, stop opioid OD, etc. As you can see, on the basis of 280 tweets, we come up with this graph where we have Texas is the one where it's trending the most. And you can see California, Pennsylvania, New York, and Washington. We also have some questions that are pre-answered here. But if you have any question, you are more than welcome to ask, and please ask us any question. Thank you.